Many jobs will probably be replaced by artificial intelligence. Unfortunately, also the advantages and disadvantages of this.
Well, the artificial intelligence is nowadays very common, but I think a lot advantage is the people need less human work, but the disadvantage for me is there are tasks that artificial intelligence don't be consider the right solution for for solve some problems. So it's necessary the people to do some things at the work. Unless it's important to consider that intelligent artificial exists because human invented and human developed. So certainly the artificial intelligence depends on the human.
It's there any job you would like to be underground, which will be not part of the future? It's really your answer.
Well, I think there are some jobs like people um, collect the trash or something like that. You can find some methods for develop some other I don't know concepts or vehicles to do the work alone. So provide the trash containers to recollect the trash for themselves and don't need people to do it. I think that this what we this consider and certain close future, and we can be provide some good things for I don't know people that develop this job. Thank you.